Hi and welcome to my channel. Here's a quick details on how to add members on your SURF4ALL promo. I'll be showing you two ways guys, so here's the first one. *143 number sign. First step is to dial *143 number sign. Select SURF4ALL. Then choose Manage Your Group. Here you have a lot of options to manage your SURF4ALL promo. Let's focus on adding a member. So let's choose 1, Add Member. Reply the 10-digit number of the person you want to add. Here's a quick example. Second one is through Globeone app. I'm not currently registered to SURF4ALL promo and I'm sorry about that guys, but this is the option where you will enter the phone number of the member you want to add. And that is the end of this video guys. I hope this helped you somehow. So you can check or click this video as well to check other SURF4ALL promo how-tos or tutorials. Thank you for dropping by and see you on my next video.